how the Google Analytics is important for a website. Not only a e-commerce website and business website, it is important for every e-commerce and digital marketing. Google Analytics is a web analysis service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic currently and the real time generated by our websites. Google Analytics gives you the tools that you have need to better understand your customers. And finally, the Google Analytics is one of the most popular digital analytics software. It is a Google free web analysis services that allows you to analyze in the depth details of your visitors on your website. It provides you the valuable data for world over. So let's get started. I want to show from stage by stage I work. First we have to open the Google Analytics account. Here we use our Gmail IDs. Now we are open Google Analytics site. Now we are going to click on Start Measuring. Here it's the account's name. Account's name means the company name, which company I want to link with Google Analytics. So let's here I start putting a company name. You can put here the complete name, not URL. Now do here the next. Now it is asking you are measuring application, web. Now we have to tracking our website. So it is already clicked. Now next. Here is asking the business name. Here we can paste our company name and going to paste your First we have to notice our site is HTTPS. So here we click HTTPS. Then select the industry. This company is a IT company. So we can select Then time zone should be of the India. Then create. Here we can accept only India's term and condition. Now accept. Then click here and select. Now here we have opened our company's Google Analytics sites. Here we found the tracking IDs and Google site tag code. Actually the code is used for the site which making on HTML and CSS. So in this site platform we copy this code and paste on every coding head, so we can tracking on every site. That's using for SEO. And this site is built on GoDaddy. So here we are using the tracking IDs. Copy. Go to the website setting here. You can find here a Google Analytics tab. Paste here. Then publish. Now here we are publish the Google tracking IDs. User. Now here you can find some update also. You can also find which time is the better for tracking. In this area you can find which day in which time the customer comes your site. You can track everything for a Google website, because if you spend the money, you have the responsibility to track for every details of your money, where the traffic comes and how you can increase our traffic sites.